Hi students, today's family we are going to study that is Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae is represented by 115 genera and 2678 species worldwide, whereas in India there are 24 genera and 108 species distributed. Here you can see the variation of flower. Here, see the type of corolla. Here again, you can see the type of corolla and the nature of stamen can easily be studied. Let us understand the distinguishing characteristics of the family Solanaceae. Leaves in family Solanaceae are simple, alternate, and exstipulate. Flowers are actinomorphic, means having symmetry. They are complete, which means including calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Bisexual means both androecium and gynoecium are present, and it has pentamerous symmetry. Inflorescence is either axillary or solitary, means with single flower, or it may be terminal, means the flower is present at the terminal position of respective branch. Another distinguishing character is persistent calyx, and the subtype of that persistent calyx is accrescent, which grows along with the size of the fruit. So, bigger the fruit, bigger the size of persistent calyx, that is called as a accrescent calyx. Corolla is rotate or campanulate or infundibulary, which means funnel shaped, which can be seen in the Tura. Stamens are five in number and they are epipetalous, means attached to the petals. Ovary is bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior, and placentation is exile. And the fruit is either berry means multi-seeded, or a capsule. Now let us understand the general characteristics of family Solanaceae, starting with habit. So plants are mainly herbs or rarely shrubs or even small trees or climbers, that is Solanum dulcamara. Many plants belonging to this family are poisonous. Stem. Stem is herbaceous. It is aerial, erect, branched. Pubescent. Pubescent means hairy. A lot of trichomes are present over the surface, or sometimes prickly. Some small thorns you might have seen, as you can see in the leaves of brinjal, where small prickles or thorns are there. Sometimes stem is woody, but it is fistular, means hollow from inside. But in some cases, it is solid also. In Solanum tuberosum, that is potato, stem forms underground tubers. So that you might have seen in potato. Here, very interesting characteristics of leaves can be learned, where the leaves are alternate, they are simple, margin is entire in some cases, but sometimes it may be undulate also. Here you will see that some wavy structures are there, and such type of margin is called as undulate margin or wavy margin. It is exstipulate means without stipule. Petiolate shape is ovate in case of the thora. It is lanceolate in case of solanum. It is lobed in case of brinjal, or it is compound pinnate in case of potato, with oblique leaf base and undulate or wavy margin. So oblique leaf base can easily be seen here. From one side the base starts here, and from other side base starts from here. So they are not end to end. In this case, the differences can be seen. One side starts here and other side starts here. So here is the gap, and that is called as a oblique leaf base. Inflorescence is either solitary or terminal. Here you will see the single flower, that is called as a solitary, and here you can see it is terminal, means that respective branch is terminating with the flowers. Then it is either axillary or extra auxiliary cyme. In this photograph you can see axillary or extra axillary cymose inflorescence. It is solitary axillary in case of the thora. It is axillary cymes in case of cestrum. This is cestrum. The flowers are pedicellate. Ebracteate means without bract. Actinomorphic. Complete means calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. All four pearls are present. Bisexual means calyx and corolla present. Shows pentamerous symmetry. Hypogynous means ovary is superior, and in some cases it is zygomorphic also, and the example is salpioglossis, where the flowers are zygomorphic. Calyx, the member of calyx is sepal, which are five in number. It is fused, so that we call gamosepalous. It is persistent. Shape is tubular or infundibuliform. Various shapes can be seen. Estivations are also of different types. It may be imbricate or valvate type of estivation, and it is accrescent, which means it grows along with the size of fruit. Then next is corolla, and the member of corolla is petal, and petals are five in number. They are fused, so we call gamopetalous. It is rotate in case of Solanum nigrum. It is bell-shaped in case of Vidania somnifera. It is infundibuliform, means funnel-shaped in case of Datura. It is tubular in case of Cestrum nocturnum. Marathi name is Aratarani. Estivation also varies from type to type of the flower. It is either twisted or valvate or imbricate type. Here you will see the typical flower of Solanaceae, where you will see calyx, then corolla, stamens, the part of androecium, and individual member of androecium is called as a stamen, which are five in number, that can be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rarely 4 in case of Brunfelsia. It is epipetalous. So these are actually the petals, and the stamens are attached here at the petals, and hence this condition is called as epipetalous condition. They are alternate with the petals. Filaments are short or long, but it is basifixed, dithecous, introns, anthers yellow with apical pores. A basifix here, the filament is like this. This is one anther lobe, and this is another anther lobe. And the attachment of filament here can be seen is at the base. So this condition is called as a basifixed. Very interesting feature of gynoecium can be studied here. So ovary is bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior with axial placentation. Ovary is obliquely placed. It is two-celled or four-celled by the formation of false septum. Let us understand with the help of the figure which is given below. Many ovules on the swollen peltate placenta. Style is long. Stigma is bilobed or capitate. So what false septum is? When ovary is young, you can see here is the axis and here is the placenta and here multiple ovules can be seen. As it matures, this placenta goes and grows further and it is trying to reach to the margin of ovary. And in this last figure, you can see that this placenta is completely reached to the axis, and so that it is representing or showing the structure like four chambers are there. Basically, they are only two in number, but because this grown further, this part grown further and reached the ovary wall, because of which these total number of compartments seems to be like four, but they are not four, they are only two. Hence, we call this as a bicarpellary, but it looks like tetracarpellary because of this false septum. Then fruit is berry in case of tomato or brinjal. Berry means multi-seeded fruit, or it is capsule. So capsule type of fruit you can see here. This is capsule, and this is berry. This capsule is called as a septifragal capsule in case of the Datura. Why this is called as a septifragal capsule? Because here is actually the false septum, and here four worms. This one, two, this third, and this fourth part, which is getting separated along with the septum. Hence, the term septifragal capsule is used in this case. Let us understand the floral formula. This condition is ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 and gamosepalous, petals 5, gamopetalous, stamens 5, epipetalous condition, carpels 2, syncarpus, and the superior condition is there. And this is what the obliquely placed ovary. So with respect to stalk of the flower, ovary is not straight, it is recurved. And if you look in this floral diagram, with respect to this mother axis, this ovary is obliquely placed. Here this is calyx, this is corolla, these are stamens, that is androecium, and this is ovary, that is gynoecium, and this is what the mother axis. Now let us understand the systematic position, that is class Dicotyledone because of reticulate venation. Subclass is Gamopetalae because the petals are fused. Series is Bicarpellity because carpels are two in number and stamens are as many as corolla lobes. Order is polymonials because the leaves are alternate, exstipulate, and stamens are epipetalous. And the reasons for family Solanaceae we already learned. And the last point, that is economic importance. The first plant, that is Atropa belladonna, which is important in medicines, and the name of the drug, that is atropine, which is obtained from it. It is used as antidote in poisoning. Another plant of economic importance is Vidania somnifera. Marathi name is Ashwagandha. The drug ashwagandha is obtained from the roots. It is used as tonic, aphrodisiac, rejuvenator, relieves rheumatic pain, and it is effective drug for asthma and bronchitis. Another plant is Nicotiana tabacum, that is the tobacco plant. Leaves of this plant used for tobacco production, used in different narcotics like cigars, and used as narcotic and sedative. Another plant of economic importance is Solanum melongena, that is brinjal, which is used as vegetable. Cestrum nocturnum, that is in Marathi called as a Ratarani, which is cultivated in garden as ornamental plant because it possesses fragrant flowers. Another plant is Lycopersicon esculentum, that is tomato, which is used as vegetable and to prepare byproducts like tomato ketchup and tomato sauce. And the last plant of this family, which is of economic importance, is Capsicum annuum, that is chili, which is used as spice and condiment and to have or to add pungency in the curry. Thank you.